Okay, guys. So I'm not in love with this movement right now. So if I was in training and I was a mechanical trader and I said I'm going to trade from 7 to 9, your 2 hours are up and you went 1-0 today. Great job. If you're going from 8 to 10, you have another hour left. Look and see what you can get. If you're just now starting, then go from 9 to 11 and see what you can get. And you're thinking along the lines of, I'm not here to make money yet. I'm here to make sure that I know what I'm doing. So when it's time for me to make money, I don't have any emotions or gut feelings or any of that. I'm a mechanical trader. And if I can get all of these steps, I know that I will win 7 out of 10 because my journal has demonstrated to me that I can do that. So it looks like if we get over here on Euro USD, our last trade was on USD CHF, which was right here, and it was a sell, and you can see it has made a double bottom, and it most likely wants to go the other way. So I'm not looking at it anymore. If I go to Euro USD, I can see that it did not reach the high that we established back at 630. We talked about that earlier. And I have made 3 higher highs. So higher from here to here, higher from here to here. So you'll see your next pivot point show up there, and it's over. And I'm now going to make a lower low because I went from here to here and made that low. And now I'm going to go from here to here in this range to make that next low. So it's very sloppy right now. So again, I cannot stress this enough. If you're mechanical and you're learning the process, then follow what you said you were going to do and see how many 4 steps you get. And then if you're trading for money, probably now's a good time to stop because look what's happening. Look at that long-legged bull doji. Yuck. Now let's go over here and you're going to see a long-legged bear doji eventually probably. And so you just got to just watch it and see. So in 4 seconds, look and see what that next candle is. See if you don't get a doji out of that. And then go over here and look and see what this candle is and see if you get another doji here. So just watch it and see and understand that it's kind of yucky. You had some 8:30 news, didn't amount to anything. I think the next news event's 10 o'clock. So I think I'm just going to head on out and I'll just take a 2-0 today. Hopefully I helped some of you. If you have any questions, let me know. For giggles, let's go over here and look at number 6. You got one good sell, you got one good buy. So if you took those, if you're a number 6 player, then it went 6.5 pips this way, and this way it went. So I wouldn't have taken it, and I didn't. And this one went 6. So you're looking for 10. You got 6 on both. So I wouldn't have taken either one of these trades, but I'm not saying you couldn't have. So anyway, hopefully you're getting this. And if you have any questions, let me know. So I'll see you guys. Tomorrow is Tuesday, so I'll probably be here for a little bit. I will not be here on Thursday. I'm playing in a golf tournament. So, but I should be here tomorrow. So have any questions, let me know. See ya. Peace.